Selama seminggu, mungkin hampir seminggu pemusatan latihan, mungkin gimana sih ngelihat perkembangan di timnas sekarang?
Iya tentunya alhamdulillah berjalan dengan baik. Kita mulai step by step dari kita habis off season terus sekarang mulai lagi dengan ada Piala AFF ini. Jadi semuanya berjalan lancar dan semuanya menunjukkan step yang bagus untuk ke depannya.
Optimis nggak tuh?
Harus optimis, harus selalu mengusahakan.
Udah apa aja yang ditempa sama coach?
Kita baru latihan di minggu ini, kita fokus fisik tapi tetap dengan bola sama inti-inti dari apa yang coach minta harus diterapin di lapangan. Jadi sangat clear apa yang coach minta dan saya dan teman-teman berusaha untuk memahaminya secara cepat.
Ada di grup A dan salah satu yang kuat Vietnam nih. Vietnam juga katanya sih full squad ya. Mungkin gimana sih ngelihat AFF tahun ini?
Ya tentu sendiri di grup A nggak mudah, tapi kita tetap berusaha menampilkan yang terbaik apapun yang kita punya dan dengan ngikutin arahan dari pelatih sendiri sih. Jadi ya kita akan berusaha.
A pre-season, they've had a long layoff, so the preparation is around trying to build that physical capacity to start a tournament in 2.5 weeks' time. And then the second part is continually assessing players. So this first phase, we've brought a group of players. The next phase, there'll be maybe some other players joining, and some players may not make it to the next phase. So it's been really competitive. So we've drove a lot of physical work and competition for the team.
In the first phase, how many players coach join in training camp?
Well, we'll see. We'll see. So we'll start phase two. The players have literally put in a 6-day effort here consistently because it is a physical camp where the players will get a few days off. And in that period of time, we'll make an assessment on this group and then an assessment on the players that we also have in our thinking and then finalize a phase two list. So that'll happen Monday or Tuesday.
In the Indonesia will join a group A in AF in the what do you think about another country, coach?
Well, it's going to be an adventure for me. I mean, this is my first experience of East Asia. Opponents, styles of play, conditions. I mean, all of my matches have been in Jakarta at home, which is an absolute privilege because we get our Garuda fans every time. But I think this is going to be difficult. You know, I've had a chance to scout teams like Vietnam, Cambodia, Singapore, Timor-Leste. We know they'll be organised and they'll fight. I think Vietnam are the favourites for this tournament. The preparation they've put in and the fact they've won it, they know how to win. So as I've said previously, just one game at a time, one game, and then we move to the next.
Pindah kemana? Itu latihannya di sana. Tas nih ya.
sudah habis teman-teman, kita balik. Sana dulu. Yuk. Ayo, Mas.
Thanks everybody.
Aja, pindah kemana? Itu latihannya di sana.
Tas nih ya. Setelah sesi ini habis ya, Bang. Ayo, sudah habis teman-teman, kita balik. Sana dulu. Yuk. Ayo, Mas.
Thanks everybody.
Gak sempet baca? Dengerin aja. Klik icon text to speech, gak pakai ribet di okezone.com.